Hey everyone, Steven here. I wanted to just give you a couple of quick updates on what's happened this week in the world of data and AI. So the first thing I want to talk about is what MotherDuck has been working on with their MCP. They introduced a new product called Dives this week, and it's essentially a MCP-powered visualization tool. So if you want to get some quick visualizations out of your MotherDuck data and you have already started using the MotherDuck MCP, you've got to give Dives a try. It's just going to extend your natural workflow into visualization, and it just seems to work really well with the MCP, so give it a try. The next thing I want to chat about is what's happening over at KiloCode, because if you've been following AI news, you probably heard about OpenClaw, which is the final name that they landed on after a few name changes. But OpenClaw is essentially a autonomous Claude code agent that can just run unprompted, for better or worse, which is why most people are recommending to not install it on your own computer, your own hardware, whatever. And the best approach to do this is to install it on an isolated environment. So now at KiloCode, you can actually go and spin up a managed OpenClaw instance, and they call it KiloClaw, because of KiloCode. So if you have been wanting to try this out, but you don't have a isolated environment to try it in, give it a try, or at least, go check out the website and see what it would take to get started. But it's the first managed instance that I've seen of this so far, and they got it out pretty quick. And the last thing I want to talk about is the work that Notion has been doing with AI agents. I have been a subscriber of Notion ever since I started the business about 2 years ago, and I've been slowly kind of watching them embrace AI and add new features and just trying to introduce them into my own workflow in a way that doesn't disrupt what I'm doing or, traipse around as me across Notion when really I should be the one writing the content. But I have to say that the agents they've added this week seem to really take work automation to the next level. I wish I could be a little bit more specific than that, but you just have to give it a shot. Those are 3 of the most exciting updates in data and AI that I can think of in this past week. Just remember to subscribe to this page and this channel for more updates like this. And yeah, keep building your data empires.